Good morning. Welcome back to the Traders Network Club YouTube channel and today's showdown. Now, usually in today's showdown, I have a guest, and FxBigDog is not here today. He's in South Africa enjoying his time with his wife, but unfortunately, it's just going to be me today. I'm just a solo showdown. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the 5 pairs that we trade using our Pip Hunter strategy. And you're going to see these 5 pairs, how we go and implement these trades using our Pip Hunter Trading Tool. And I'm going to show you guys how to use this tool. It's a phenomenal tool that goes and implements these trades for you. And we're going to go live and trade these pairs live using this tool so you can take a look at it. So get ready. If you guys enjoy the rest of this video, stay through it and smash that like button and click notifications on so you get notified every time we post. So we're going to get started right after this. All right, welcome back. Good to see you guys here. I know a lot of my VIP members are in the Discord already, ready to get the show going. Good to see you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the draft. NFL draft was last night, the first round. I'm an Eagles fan. If most of you guys don't know, you don't watch the videos, and I gotta say, man, I love what we did in the draft. We got some big boys from Georgia, and I'm excited for next year. Can't wait. All right, can't wait, and I'm looking forward to the round 2 tonight and the third round. So we'll see how that goes. Okay. All right, awesome. So, guys, here in the showdown, okay, we have 5 pairs. We have the CAD Swiss, the Aussie CAD, the New Zealand CAD, the Euro US dollar, and US dollar CAD is the 5 pairs that we trade using this Pip Hunter strategy. And it's a very basic strategy. We keep it very simple here, especially in the show, to go ahead and show you how we take a look at the market and analyze it, looking for these entries using the strategy. But also, we implement this tool that we built that goes with the strategy and kind of manages these positions for you. And I'm going to show you how it works here. So we're going to get right to it. All right. Let's first start off with the CAD Swiss. And this is me live trading here, guys. This is completely authentic here. This is live, so I'm just going through the market and analyzing the market here with you as we go through these pairs. So let's go ahead and take a look at the CAD Swiss first. Okay. So first thing, I'm going to go here and look at the 4-hour. And CAD Swiss, I already know much what's going on with the CAD Swiss. We've been in a bearish move, kind of hitting range bound support and resistance here, and we just broke now our support here. And I'm expecting price to come back and retest this support, which most likely it kind of came up a little bit, but didn't really retest that support line. Didn't really get to that level of support. So we're gonna see, okay, well, price is in an overbought position here on the 4-hour. Let's take a look at the 1-hour. Taking a look here at the 1-hour, we can see, all right, first thing we notice is that price did break our valid high here on our MACD, okay, our previous high, okay. So we see price went ahead on this bullish move here. Price went in and created a new high that was higher, okay. So we have price now creating a low, which we can see, all right, looks like price is creating possibly a higher low as well once this is validated. We're in an oversold position, so we can expect now price to go ahead and validate a low, and we're kind of losing some bearish MACD there. So we should expect price to go ahead and take out this high and continue to move and then retrace back for some more liquidity. So if we go back here to the 50-minute time frame, we can see here that we're in a little bit of a correction move here. Okay, here's the correction move. You can see higher lows and lower lows and lower highs forming here on this correction move here, and we're looking for a price to go ahead and take out a high. So if we go to like a small time frame here, and we're trying to look for here's these highs right here. So you can see this kind of resistance right here. Price gone ahead and kind of broke through a little bit of this support of these lows here and just kind of made its way back up. So we can see there's a little liquidity grab here, and price is now moving pretty strong here. Back to go ahead and retest this resistance level here on the lower time frame. Okay, now you're in using this tool. We have the tool set to go ahead and target 20 pips. So we go ahead and enter the market looking for 20 pip grab on these pairs. Okay, that's kind of our strategies. We target 20 pips, and we dollar cost average, meaning every time price goes against us, we get in additional positions, 25 pips against us. Okay, so every 25 pips against us, so we have the tool implement additional positions for us to go ahead and dollar cost average. Okay, so that's kind of how we also work our strategy here. So you're looking at the 5 minute time frame. We see prices coming back up to our resistance here. So going back to the 50 minute, we should anticipate. All right, well, we're now in a correction move here on the CAD Swiss. Okay, we're getting price coming back now to this resistance level. We could see price want to dip back down, continue this correction move, or we can see price go ahead, take out these highs, showing us now that we're kind of moving out of correction here. Take out these highs, then we're obviously get a nice little pullback for some liquidity, and then we'll see the bullish move keep trending. So I'm gonna take a sip of my coffee for a second here as I'm thinking about this trade. All right. So the goal is to say, all right, well, I would like to see what price does at this resistance level. Okay. Um, because what we like to do here in the strategy is it's pretty basic. Like I said, we like to buy at demand and sell at supply. Okay. We look for our demand supply zones, but we use different things. Like I use my MACD, my oscillator to kind of confirm different things. So we want to wait here for this price to go ahead and retest this resistance here and see if we're going to still follow through some correction here, or if we're looking for a breakthrough and trending back up, moving bullish. Okay, so you're on the CAD Swiss. I'm not going to get in a position right now. I'm going to wait for this to keep playing this out. I would like to see what price does at this resistance line, and we're just going to let this pair play out. Okay, moving back to the Aussie CAD. um Oh my gosh, guys. Thank you, Francis, for letting me know. And Gary, only wants to say for me to swap my screen. That's the third time I've done that. I gotta stop it. I gotta stop it. That's my fault. That's my fault. I've done it too many times now because I'm so used to having someone here doing the screens for me. Doing it by myself, I forget. I appreciate Francis and Gary for letting me know. Oh man, I swear one day I'm gonna remember to do it. It's gonna happen one day, okay? All right, appreciate you guys. Thank you for letting me know there, Francis and Gary. So here we go. 50-minute time frame. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Here we got a breakthrough of support here. Okay, great, awesome. Aussie CAD. Now the goal here of the Aussie CAD, I've been saying this whole week, is my target is back to support right here. We're looking for price to go ahead and dip back down to our support. We don't have much divergence here on the 1 hour, so we're seeing pricing oversold. Yeah, we might get a pullback. Okay, so the price working its way back to that demand level there. We're gonna see some pullbacks as we see some waves in the market. So we're gonna take a look at the 50-minute time frame and look at that, just pretty much just choppy. Okay, pretty much just choppy right there. Let me take a look here. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here we go. The Aussie CAD's pretty choppy. And what we're anticipating a bearish trend. Price obviously want to work back its way too. Look at this, a lot of consolidation here. As you can see, some consolidation levels here. So price definitely want to work its way into this consolidation level here before it wants to go in a trace. But we could still see some waves, and we're looking only for 20 pips. Okay. So I'm pretty bearish here on the Aussie CAD. Now I'm going to take a look at the New Zealand CAD because I like to look at these pairs together because they're trading against the Canadian dollar. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at New Zealand CAD as well here. And I like to sometimes look for the same direction here on these pairs. Look at this. Price is now moving to a key level here. And this has been our target here on the New Zealand CAD before I see some retracement. And I should anticipate price to go ahead and retrace back into this level here of support as well, where we see some consolidation. So we should anticipate some nice pullback here back to support. We can see here in the 1 hour, not much negative divergence showing. So we're still seeing a little bit of pricing an overbought position here, just kind of working its way. Um, Not much here, just choppiness as well here on the New Zealand CAD. If I go to the 5 minute time frame, we can see a little bit, not a lot of movement here. Okay, for price to go ahead and move 20 pips, we need the price to really go ahead and move its way back down here on the New Zealand CAD. Not getting much of movement here. Take a look at the 4 hour, see the long term here. We can see, all right, well, price is definitely coming back to test this high. This is some key supply right here. Okay, and this is where price is at. Some key supply zone right here. So we should anticipate price to go and dip here. Obviously, we're seeing a little bit of these highs breaking here. Still same thing here. So we should see a little bit of retracement here just because we're testing this level of supply here as well, where we had some support, but previous support there. But here's a key supply zone right here, and we should see nice retracement back to this level right here, or we should see price go ahead and continue to break through. But the point of us dollar cost averaging is so key, because what happens is if we're breaking through resistance here, okay, if we're breaking through resistance and we've seen price break through and we're dollar cost and averaging, when price wants to retrace back down, because once we see a nice breakthrough, price always wants to retrace back down, grab some liquidity, okay? And we're dollar cost and averaging, so we're going to go ahead and get out 20 net pips as we average our cost here, okay? We're getting additional positions here. So that's kind of how we do our dollar cost averaging. So I'm gonna say I'm looking to go ahead and sell back price back to support here. And looking at the Aussie CAD, we are expecting just bearish moves all the way down here to this key level of demand right here. So I'm pretty bearish on these pairs trading against the Canadian dollar. We're gonna go ahead and jump in the market, and I'm gonna go ahead and sell both these pairs. Now take a look at how the tool is so easy and simple to use. Once you have this tool on your charts, you'll see these buttons. And I'm going to go ahead and just click sell here on the Aussie CAD and sell on the New Zealand CAD. And just like that, we're in two sell positions here on these pairs. And that's how simple the tool is. And it'll go ahead and implement these trades for you and manage them for you by closing you out automatically when you hit 20 net pips. So it'll close it out for you once you set it to 20 net pips. It'll close the 20 net pips out for you, and it will add those additional positions for you to dollar cost average. So you don't need to be by your computer the whole time through this process. It will go ahead and manage for you, okay? And that's what's so amazing about this tool. And if you're interested in this tool, go ahead and check the link below. You'll see on our website, you can get this tool for only $27. Okay, for the first 2 weeks, only $27. You can use this tool to go ahead and trade today. Okay, so go ahead and check the link below. And we're seeing some nice bearish moves here, and that's what we're going to go and continue with the Canadian pairs right there. Skipping the CAD Swiss though for now. Now let's take a look at the US dollar pairs. Okay, we got the Euro US dollar and the US dollar CAD. Let's take a look at the 1 hour first. Let's actually take a look at the 4 hour here on the euro. So the euro has been pretty bullish here, and we can see it's kind of trading at a key level of resistance here. You can see a lot of resistance at this position here, and we're expecting price. Really, what price is doing here is kind of tying up here in this resistance here and the support of this trend line. Okay, so what we have is the support of this trend line. Price kind of, and just like I said, VIP members probably know, I said I expected the euro to go and break through the support line and test this key level right here, okay, which it did right here. You can see this candle wick. So that was important that we saw that because we were selling a few days ago. So we got this nice retracement here. We should see price want to come back up to resistance here on the euro US dollar. We can see we have a lot of room on the upside here to go ahead and trade back to resistance, about 60 pips here. So going back to the 1 hour here, let's take a look at these smaller time frames to see what's really going on. We're going to just clean some stuff up here. We can see, all right, price is definitely in a correction move here. We got some lower highs, and price broke through this low here. So we got some a breakthrough of this low as well. But we should see a nice strong pullback or price pushing back up here on the euro US dollar. But all the way back up to this high here is 28 pips. So we have price has enough room to go back and test the previous high. Yeah, we see on the 50-minute time frame, here we go. Price breaking through this high right here. Now we're getting some retracement, so we should see a nice little push here. So I'm pretty bullish here on the euro US dollar. But once again, I like to take a look at the US dollar CAD as we trade in both these US dollar pairs. Okay. Um, price here is at a key level of supply right here. Okay. Well, it's a previous support level right here. Okay, you can see right here, this was a key support level right here that price broke through, coming all the way back up now to retest this. We should see a strong retracement on the US dollar CAD here. We should see a key retracement level, at least back to this level right here, okay, where we see some resistance. I would like to see price retrace back, create some support here before, even if it wants to move, continue moving bullish into this range bound right here of consolidation. There's a lot of consolidation here. I can see why price wants to move in here just to grab some liquidity before it continues to move bearish, because I'm pretty bearish US dollar. Okay, guys. So right here we can see, all right, price is definitely starting to move a little bit bearish on the 4 hour here. We can see, all right, looking at the 1 hour, price does have some room to back to this low here. All the way back to this low is about 30 pips. So we're pretty bearish there. We can see on the 50-minute time frame that price is in an oversold position there. We're not getting any and you can see the 1 hour your price is moving back to the oversold. So we got a lot of room for bearish moves to happen here. I think we're going to get that. So I'm pretty bearish on the US dollar CAD here. And I'm going to go long the euro US dollar, guys. So this is how we're going to do it right here using the tool. Once again, sorry, let me go back to the euro here. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and buy the euro and sell the US dollar CAD. Okay. And just like that, we're getting 4 trades today. We stayed away from the CAD Swiss. So we're going to go back to CAD Swiss, see if there's any opportunities there after some movement. Let's go back to the CAD Swiss here. So price is still kind of testing this, still kind of testing around this resistance right here. So we're still kind of waiting because we are targeting 20 pips, and it's almost about 20 pips back to support right here. So really, this range bound is kind of tight for us to go ahead and trade this range bound of support and resistance, because we're only trading for 20 pips, and we're kind of be stuck in this range bound. It might not get to 20 pips. So really, the goal is for price to go ahead and move bullish, take out these highs, and continue to move bullish. That will give us enough momentum to push 20 pips and close out. Okay. And you can see here on the CAD Swiss, if we take a look at the 1 hour and how this is moving, that I am pretty bullish on this as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy the CAD Swiss, okay, because I'm looking for the long term here. Maybe it doesn't close out today, as it's kind of stuck here in this low range bound. Looking at the small time frame, but we might see a breakthrough of this resistance here, and that's gonna push us enough to take out this high and close out 20 pips. I'm pretty bullish here on the CAD Swiss, so we're gonna go ahead and go ahead and take a trade here on a buy on the CAD Swiss for that long term bullish run there. Which can happen once price kind of takes out this resistance here. We'll see that momentum kicking in. Okay. Real quick, here's a video brought by our sponsor, ACAP. All right. If you guys are interested in signing up with the broker ACAP, go ahead and check out the description below. You'll see a link there. You can go ahead and sign up with ACAP today if you choose to. Okay. With that being said, we're gonna go ahead and just recap this, and then we're gonna go ahead and end this session for today. Yeah, we went long the euro US dollar, long the CAD Swiss, short on the New Zealand CAD, short on the Aussie CAD, and short on the US dollar CAD. Okay. There it is, guys. Trade 5 pairs a day. Did it all live. You can see not live movement here. The tool shows you how many pips you're up and down. So you can see it's pretty much sitting still at break even here. Not much a lot of movement yet. But we'll see how these go ahead and close out. We do have a Telegram for these trades. It should be in the description below. So check the description below for our Telegram here to this showdown signals. So you can go ahead and follow these signals as we place them live here in the show. With that being said, guys, I've said that already. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Make sure you smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys next week for another showdown. Yeah, you guys take care, and I'll see you next time.